Hello, my name is Thiago Scarton. I'm from the location-based service team, and on this video I would like to show you how linear layers is integrated with Spatial 7601. Inside the map manager there is a new configuration where you can enable or disable the linear layers on top of the map. So let me go to the map manager. Inside the map manager, you just need to create a new registry. And when you select map provider spatial as the map provider, you have a new tab available, linear tab. So when you click here, you have enabled all the linear layers by default. First, you have a checkbox here to enable or disable the linear graphic layers. You can include a SIG option to restrict some access just to some users. And here we have the applications. Right now we are just supporting work order track, service request, and asset application. But the user can extend it and create more applications according his needs. So let me expand here asset. So for asset, we have all the layers for the asset application. So we have a relationship, work order, service request, features, and asset specification. Inside the asset application, you have some tabs, one for each linear graphic layer. Expanding one of them, you have the name of the layer. This is the name that will appear, it will be available inside the layer tools. So all the tools now are supporting linear layers. So this is the name that will be available on the layer tools, for example. Object is the Massimo table that contains all the measures that you'd like to show on the map. You can include also a SIG option for this particular layer. This is the relationship because you can have more than one layers sharing the same object. So you need to include here on the relationship which registry you get for this layer. So for example, work order and service request, both are sharing the same object, multi-asset lock. So how can I know which registry do I need to get? So I can use the relationship to get it. Right. Here is the column name that contains the start measure, and this is the column that contains the end measure. And here is the attribute ID name, which means that which column has the name of the attribute. So I will show you in a few minutes. For the asset specification, for example, I can include speed, I can include segments. So this is the column that you will contain the speed, segment, the name of the attribute. Okay, so here we have the layer attributes template. When you are using identify tool on the map and you click on top of a linear layer, so this is the information that you get for that point. Okay, so this is a pattern. When you include this kind of a structure, it means that the message will be loaded from the max message table. So the first attribute is the key, is the group of the message, and the second is the key for that particular message. Okay, but also you can include you can include more attributes here and type some text here. You don't need to include the message on the max message table, right? Also, you can include more attributes here by clicking on this icon here. It's a builder to help you to construct your own attributes. So I can click here and select, for example, I'd like to show the asset none. Okay, and then I can type asset none equals. Okay, and then all these information will be available on Identify tool. Right. I have also a new tab here, which is Map Symbology. Here you can describe how the linear layers will look like on the map. You can set up colors, you can set up images for some points, and so on. But I will cover this tab on another video about how to display the linear layers on top of the map. So let me just show you an asset. That has all this kind of information. Okay, this is a linear asset, and here on the specification tab I have some measures. Okay, so on the map manager, when I open this registry, I will be able to see all these measures, these segments on top of the map. Right, so this is the video about how to configure the map manager with all the linear layers for each application. Thanks for watching. Bye.